Hey guys, Tonya Vann here with Tonya's Bling. I'm a Paparazzi Accessories independent consultant and producer, and I am here with June's Fashion Fix. Yay! I don't have a box. The box is right there. So, all right, so let's go ahead and get started. And then afterwards, I'm going to show you the setup that I have here for my live. I will be going live tonight, and I have a pretty cool setup that is really, I think, going to work really well. So I figured I would share that with you also. So let's go ahead and start with these Fashion Fix sets. Oh, you know what? I do need to get the box. Hold on. I need the box because I already opened all of them, so I need to know which set is which. And I'm actually doing this video late this month, so these sets are pretty much all sold out already. So the first set I'm going to show you is Magnificent Newseams. It's a gold set. It's so beautiful. All right, so this is the necklace. It's a long chain, a thicker gold rope. Oh no, it's not a rope. Thicker gold chain. At the bottom is this gorgeous dripping with bling piece, and then the earrings match with the rhinestones cascading down as well. So that is the necklace. So that's the necklace there. So cute. And then you've got your earrings. Look at those. Those are the earrings. So pretty. And then you've got this as the bracelet. So it's lots of little chains of gold with rhinestones in there as well. Looks like that. So pretty. And dainty and feminine. And then the ring is this beautiful gold band with rhinestones all throughout. I just really love this set. The next set is Fiercely Fifth Avenue. This is how that set looks. You've got this long double chain of silver, the pearls leading down to a larger pearl, and then two hanging pearl tassels with silver tassels on the bottom. So pretty. These are the matching earrings that comes with it. So that's how that one looks. And then these are the earrings that come with that. So gorgeous. So each set is $20 and you get 5 pieces of jewelry if you include the matching earrings, the little pearls that came with the necklace. This is the bracelet. So it's stretchy. Pearls, look at it. I love that. Got the smaller strands over here, the really big chunky strand over there, that bling in the middle. So cute. And then you've got this for the ring. And that's a skinny band. And it's pearls with gorgeous rhinestones wrapped around each one. So cute. The next set is Simply Santa Fe. It's turquoise, surprise, surprise. It's a longer chain and it's really unique looking and really pretty. Got the long, thicker silver chain leading down to this kind of Western style pendant. It's got the feathers in there and the marble look to it, almost like a brooch. And then you've got these matching earrings. So that is that. And then you've got these gorgeous bigger earrings here if you would like your earrings to be a little bit more of a statement. It matches the brooch perfectly, as you can see. The pendant brooch part of the necklace. And then the bracelet is a cuff bracelet. It's silver. It's got that same marbled, crackled marble look to it. Kind of looks like that. Matches again perfectly. And then you've got the ring is a silver, kind of flat band ring. You've got a braided look or rope look kind of going through the center. It's very cute. Gives that same vibe as the rest of it. Super cute. The next set is Glimpses of Malibu. So this is Glimpses of Malibu. It's got that beautiful orange color. So this is the necklace. These are all long. There's one set that's short. It's a long, thicker chain. It's got these cute little details in there. Fun little details. It's got the orange gem there. It's got kind of a different kind of cut to it, like a diamond cut. And then it comes down to this pendant. It's really cute. Reminds me of either like a flower, just like a little small flower. Kind of like the flowers in my dress, these little ones. So, and then it has the tassel at the bottom. Oh, and then the matching earrings are these cute little dainty orange earrings. And so that is the necklace. These are the bigger earrings. So those are gorgeous as well. Lightweight. Looks really great with that necklace. The bracelet, that's cute. I like the orange beading on the little skinny one in the middle. That's really cute. And it's always so shiny. That's what always surprises me, is how shiny our jewelry is. It's just, they just do a really good job with the quality. So that's how that looks. Awesome, really pretty. And then this is the ring. Fun little ring. Same look as the charm here. So it matches there, if you can see that. So that's Glimpses of Malibu. And then the last set is Sunset Sightings. So gorgeous. So that is the shorter necklace of the bunch. Yeah, that's the necklace. These are the matching earrings. Now this is on a tighter setting, so you can make it a looser setting. But that's how that one looks. Ooh, that's so cute. These are the bigger earrings. Look how fun those are. Gorgeous. I really kind of want to keep all these sets of jewelry, but I'm not going to. This is the bracelet, minus the tag there. The cuff bracelet as well. It looks like that. You could squeeze it tighter, but because you can see it's kind of big on me, but I'm not going to do that, since I will be selling this one. This is the ring. Fun. If you like bigger, funky kind of rings, Paparazzi is a perfect company for you. So that's cute. now I'm going to show you the exclusives and the hostess rewards. They're going to be mixed in together because I just took them out of the wrappers and I didn't keep them separate. But just know it's the exclusives and the hostess rewards for the June fashion picks. All right, so the first one is this gorgeous long silver and black necklace. These are the matching earrings. Super cute. I love that. Love long, big, chunky necklaces. The next one is this really pretty feminine silver chain. It's a little bit longer. Has this gorgeous kind of cascading bunch of beads, silver, light gray, this really clear, beautiful bead at the bottom. This one is gold, which I am so happy they sent us gold with this month's fashion fix. I've been getting a lot of requests for gold. So this is the necklace. And these are the matching earrings. That's gorgeous, so cute. This is cute. So this one is silver. Look at that. And these are the matching earrings. I've seen this come out in other colors too. I really like it in the silver and black. So that's how that looks. It's kind of hard to see on her, but that's really cute. Super cute. Got this really pretty pair of earrings. Those are so pretty. See the bling on there? Light blue color. Bracelet is fun. It's kind of, oops. Oh, it's magnetic. So it came right off of this. It's cute. I love it. So it's magnetic. And you just pop that on. So cute and fun. Kind of reminds me of like the scrunchie or, you know, the rubber bands that you put in your hair and then you just throw it around your wrist and save it for later. That is cute. And on it, it has just all these little rings, including a ring of rhinestones. And then we've got a silver bangle. I've seen this in gold as well. So that's how that one looks. Actually, I just sold that. And then this really cute and fun yellow ring. That's cute. I love this brass ring because it's got the bling on it too, the rhinestones. You almost can't even tell that it's brass. That's really pretty. And that's the back. So cute. That is June's fashion fix. Everything was gorgeous. Thank you so much for checking those out with me. And I think I'm gonna do the video separate of me showing my setup. So thanks guys, bye.